Hi, my name is Mark. I am the owner of Universal Home Improvement. Are you looking for a drainage company or drainage contractor to install a driveway drain, backyard drain, or a patio drain? If so, then you've come to the right place. The reason I ask is because we specialize in the installation of new driveway drains, backyard drains, as well as front and backyard patio drains, so we can help you. Have you noticed water coming in under your garage door or ponding on your front or back patio, or even worse, against your foundation? I say worst because with the cost of repairing a cracked foundation, garage slab, or a concrete patio is 10 times more than what it costs of installing a drainage system, so having a new drainage system installed is just smarter. Once installed, the water is now collected into the channel drains or drain box and redirected away from your house, and all work is 100% guaranteed. I don't mean to brag, but Universal Home Improvement is the most experienced, licensed, insured, and bonded drainage contractor throughout San Francisco and San Mateo counties for the last 37 years, so we can help you. What I do is personally come to your home to see where the water is coming in and put together a plan to stop it. I then prepare a complete bid and email it to you. Most projects are quickly completed in just a few days, and best price, and all work is 100% guaranteed. So, call or click 650-641-9000 or fill out our form for your free estimate.